In this video, we're focusing on arcs. So if I go here and choose arcs, I have three kinds of arcs: center point arc, tangent arc, and 3-point arc. For center point arc, it is best used when you already know the center point of the arc. That's why it's called center point arc, and it's very flexible. For tangent arc, you need a starting point or an end point of a line. You can't just draw a tangent arc like that on an empty space. No, you will need a point, at least one end point or one starting point of a line to draw a tangent arc. I will demonstrate this to you. For 3-point arc, obviously you can draw it any day, anytime on SolidWorks, starting from anywhere. So this center point arc I'm drawing right now, I specified, I'll do it again. I specified center, then center is my first point. Second point now, I just specified. Draw it to any side. It can come to this other side, go to this other side. Good. You can specify here. See what is showing here. You're seeing A is equals to what? 90. So if you want 90, it's going to show like that. 180 will also show. See 180. 270 will also show up. See 270 like that, and 360. See how it works? And that's how it works, guys. So this is, let me leave it at this point. So let's go to tangent arc. You see, if I pick tangent arc, it's going to say what? Please select an endpoint of a sketch segment. So there must be an endpoint. This is an endpoint, guys. If I also had a straight line that had an empty endpoint like this, I could use it. So if I choose here, it's going to work. Because that's the endpoint of this arc. It's an endpoint of that arc. I could come here and choose this one too. It's another endpoint, but I only actually need one endpoint to begin a tangent arc. So let's say I choose here now. Good. So now, guys, the next tool we are going to learn is slots. Let's delete this.